Sir, resource persons from various institutes and research R&D divisions, participants from various institutes, and faculty members of our EC department. Good morning, one and all present here. The Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Madanapalli Institute of Technology and Science, organizing 5-day short-term course on emerging topics on instrumentation, electronics, and communication. Our EC department have been organizing many events like workshop, FDP, hands-on sessions for both students and faculty members. This academic year 2021-22 till today we have organized 7 events. All these 7 events are related to recent advancements happening around us. During this pandemic situation also we have organized many events. All these events we have got good response from external participants. So last week also we have organized 5 days FDP and more than 200 participants registered for this FDP. For today event, we have got more than 50 participants registered from various places. All the persons from this 5 days FDP is from reputed institutions and reputed R&D divisions like NIT, CSIR, ISRO, BHEL, IIIT T&M, AS Technologies, VVTN Technologies, and TCS also. So the main topic of this FDP is to know advancements happening in instrumentation, electronics, and communication. In instrumentation, different types of PLCs, SCADA, HMI, field level instruments will be delivered. In artificial intelligence is now trending topic, and this AI also will be covered. Topic Industry 4.0 and its related session also will be covered in this FDP. In this FDP, modeling and fabrication of organic semiconductor devices using GPGTM software also will be covered. Topic includes 5G and beyond system with the Simulink and MATLAB also will be covered. So this event, we have got immediate acceptance from resource persons, and I thank them for accepting our invitations. I hope this STC will be helpful for our students and faculty members to know recent advancement happening around us. I thank our coordinators and faculty members for their continuous support and arranging these type of events. I thank Principal Sir and Vice Principal Sir for giving permission to organize this event. So once again, I welcome all the participants for this today's event. Thank you, one and all present here.
Thank you, sir. Now, I like to request our beloved Vice Principal, sir, Dr. P. Ramanathan, sir, to say few this term course.
Yeah, is my voice audible, sir?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is audible, sir.
A very pleasant morning to all the dignitaries who are present in this online platform. Respected HOD, coordinators of this short-term training program, Dr. Sambhudatta Nanda, sir, Dr. Mahesh, and Dr. Soumya Ranjan, all the participants, and my own faculty colleagues and students of MITS. It is a pleasing occasion to be a part of this morning on this inaugural function for the short-term training program. As HOD has already given a clarity on the topics to be covered, the recent advancements are happening in the field of electronics, communications, and instrumentation. I hope this particular 5-day interaction with the experts from several R&D organizations, scientists, academicians will enhance and enrich your knowledge to the fullest capable expectations, and this will be helpful for faculty members and students to pursue further research work in their areas. And I also join hands with the principal and the management for congratulating the entire Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering for coming forward to handling periodically events related to short-term training programs, workshops, and seminars frequently, even during the pandemic situation. This not only motivates students and faculty, but also enlightens and motivates them to keep on learning continuously and progressively. I once again thank the organizers for inviting me and making me a part of this occasion. Thank you, one and all.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now, you request Dr. Nilesh, please address our honorable resource persons.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Very good morning to all of you. Once again, on behalf of the Department of ECE and Institute and on my own behalf, I would like to welcome all the participants and all the resource persons who are handling the today's session and for all the 5 days this STC. For the today's session, we have all the session dedicated to the artificial intelligence and machine learning. Our first resource person is Dr. Devi Prasad Das, who is the principal scientist at IIMT CSIR, and his topic would be the basics of artificial neural network and convolutional neural networks. And our second resource person would be the Mr. R. Raja Sekhar, who is the assistant professor in Department of Computer Science and School of Computing, Kalashingam Academy of Research, and he would be covering the machine learning naive-Bayes supervised classification algorithms. And for the today's session, third resource person would be the Dr. Siddharth Chaurasia, who is the currently senior scientist at TCS, and he would be covering the artificial intelligence topic. And our fourth resource person for today's session, and the last would be the Dr. Benixon K, assistant professor at NIT Srinagar, and he would be covering the exploring deep neural networks with the hands-on. We have all the 4 sessions today, so I request all the participants to be connected with us till the 4 p.m. We would be starting the session very soon from the 11 a.m. and it would be go till the 4 p.m. We have a lunch break of 12 to 1 p.m. for all. And after that, we would be covering the 1 to 2 p.m. with the second resource person, and then continued from 2 to 3 and 3 to 4 p.m. with the other resource persons. Thank you.
Thank you, Nilesh sir. We will be starting the session exactly at 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
Now, Dr. Nilesh sir, you can take over the session so that it can be started at 11 o'clock, sir.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you.
I request all the participants and thanks. Thank you, sir.